This is the report of Soler Hotel and Resort. Soler Hotel Resort. The first integrated destination resort. It has 8.3 hectare site in Manila's entertainment city. Soler boasts 793 luxurious resort style accommodations. It has also, there are two distinctive tower. It has Bay Tower and Sky Tower. It has also extensive dining options, impressive facilities, state-of-the-art lyric theater. Solari offers unique, expensive experience of comfort, elegance, and luxury. Location. Where do you find Soler Resort easily? Entertainment City, One Asiana, Parañaque, Metro Manila. How to find this hotel? Soler Hotel. It is across the street from Manila Bay. This is Swanky Casino. Hotel is 2 kilometers from shopping and entertainment at the SM Mall of Asia. And 4 kilometers away from Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So let's tackle the cleanliness. Let's talk about cleanliness in the hotel. This reviews is based from the travel site link in Soler Resort and Hotel. Sabi ni Wilma said, it was wonderful experience. Soler keeps their surrounding clean and tidy. So, sabi ni Wilma, the room of the hotel they book is so clean, tidy, and worth to stay. Let's talk about degree of comfort. Orlando said, our family was very satisfied with the service given to us during overnight stay in hotel. From the room accommodation and the very good service of all the room staff, I will highly recommend this place to my friends and family. We are so grateful to the birthday surprise cake given to our son who is celebrating his birthday on the time of our check-in. So Orlando said his family was very satisfied in the room he booked for his family. They have a good service quality and from staff. He recommend also the Soler Hotel from his friends. So Carly said, our stay was upgraded to a suite room. We enjoyed the big room. It was so nice, comfy, and classy. Our kids never had a dull moment because we maximized the facilities, like the bathtub, and even played hide and seek in our room. Definitely a great stay. Carlisel said their stay was upgraded into suite room. They enjoyed nice. They enjoyed so nice, comfortable, and classy. Her kids is also enjoy the pool and super satisfied in hotel and resort. So let's talk about management and staff. Let's talk. Our recent stay in Soler Hotel was truly impressive, delivering a memorable experience. The staff at the hotel were the epitome of hospitality, exhibiting a remarkable level of approachability and attentiveness that significantly enhanced our comfort throughout our visit. George said, the staff of Soler Hotel is so epitome, exhibiting a remarkable level of approachability and attentiveness. So their stay is so worth it and will back again. Ang ina nag-joke ako. Stop. ay, uh, the concierge team and Jerome Uy had the best service ever. They made Soler feel like home. JC from the pool area also attended to us with such a warm and caring personality. So Jerome, I Vincent said, staff greeted them with a warm and caring personality. The staff in Soler Hotel is super approachable and very friendly in customers. Exterior.
Exterior grounds and public areas. Best hotel casino in Manila. I think Soler is the best hotel and casino in Manila, unlike a nearby competitor with hodgepodge of adults, teens, and kids cramming the public areas. Because of their fountain attraction, Soler has a good balance and welcome exclusivity. In these reviews, luxury grounds and public areas, what is said here is the Soler Hotel extend exceeded their expectations, so they had an enjoyable stay here, and it can also be seen they had beautiful view here. Guest room guest room decors and ambience. I stayed at Soler twice this month at the Bay Tower Corner Grounds Suite, where you can experience one of the best views of sunset from the hotel. In these reviews for guest room ambience, it can be seen that they were beautiful in the well-appointed room here, and they also enjoyed the view inside the room with the well-equipped equipment.
Bathroom. Bathroom. Based on based on review, based on the review, our stay at Solar Sky Tower was amazing. The room was really nice with super comfy sofa and bed. The bathroom was top notch. The issues without shower drainage at guest service. Guest service based on the reviews. I had the best weekend for the first time in a long time. Booked this room for a birthday staycation and watch Hamilton there at the Solar Theater. Staff was very friendly, approachable, and considerate. I did mention that I booked this for my birthday staycation. Guest service is also known as front desk agents or reception are responsible for managing and arrivals. Security, security and security and safety. May reserve based on the reviews Las Vegas style. My reservation is by the Sky Tower and since it's my first time, I missed a turn and ended up entering by the Bay Tower which is also there. In the casino, hotel staff greeted us right away, helped us unload our luggage. We passed by their security scanner with camera, which is a plus for added safety.
Room prices. Deluxe Double Bayview. Double Deluxe King Bayview. 1 adult, 1 bed. Breakfast included for 1 pax. 21,365. Deluxe Double Bayview. 21,365. Bed type 1 bed. Free Wi-Fi included. Deluxe King Bayview, 21,187. Bed type, 1 king bed or 1 full. Free Wi-Fi, housekeeping, turn down service included. Deluxe King with Bayview, 16,354. Bed type, 1 double bed or 1 king bed. Grand Deluxe Double City View, 16,503. Bed type, double bed. Breakfast seating area included. Grand Deluxe Double City View, 21,716. Bed type, 2 double bed. Breakfast seating area, free Wi-Fi included. Grand Deluxe King Garden View, 1 king bed. Breakfast included for 1 pax, 21,716. Grand Deluxe King, 1 adult, 1 king bed without breakfast, 16,503. Deluxe King City View with separate shower and bathtub, 1 adult, 1 king bed or 1 full without breakfast. Deluxe King City View, 16,949, 19,067, 1 adult, 1 king bed or 1 full. Breakfast included for 1 pax. Deluxe Double Garden View, 19,667, 1 adult, 1 double bed. Breakfast included for 1 pax. Deluxe City King, 1 adult, 1 king. $17,221. Grand Deluxe King City, 1 adult, 1 king bed, 21,716. Deluxe 1 king bed grand. Deluxe room 1 king bed. Without breakfast, 16,600. Double Deluxe Double Garden View. 1 adult, 1 double bed without breakfast, 17,261. Our Grand Deluxe Bayview, 1 adult, 1 king bed or 3 double bed and 4 single bed. Breakfast included for 1 pax, 26,640. Double Corner Grand King Bay, 1 adult, 1 king bed, breakfast included for 1 pax, 27,418. For Corner Grand King Bay, 1 adult, 1 king bed without breakfast, 27,924. Studio 1 king bed, Sky Studio, 1 adult, 1 double bed or 11 double bed or 2 single beds. 2 bed, 4 double bed, 2 single bed, and 4 bed, 29,465 without breakfast. Room prices for Prestige Suite Bay, one adult, one king bed, breakfast included for 1 pax, 66,738. Prestige Suite Bay, one adult, one king bed without breakfast, 67,970. Signature Suite, one adult, breakfast included, 87,925. For Signature Suite, 89,547, one adult without breakfast. For Sky Suite, one adult, one king bed without breakfast, 133,859. Signature Suite, one king bed, one adult, one king bed without breakfast, 98,317. For Sky Suite, one adult without breakfast, 121,914.
Travel cycling. If you're willing, or if you're going to book in Soler Hotel, there's a link. There's a travel cycling. Trip.com, Agoda.com, Traveloka.com, TripAdvisor.com, and Booking.com. Thank you.